Hey there! If you're a student, a fresh graduate but wondering whether you should switch into cybersecurity, then this video is for you. I'm here to guide you through the real beginning of a successful cybersecurity career. And trust me, it doesn't start with tools, hacking, or certifications. It starts with your mindset. Why choose cybersecurity? So first things first, why even consider cybersecurity as a career? Let's get this out of the way. Cybersecurity isn't just a job, it's a mission-critical role in the digital world. You don't need a degree in computer science to be part of this industry, because cybersecurity is not just about coding. It's about protecting people, systems, and businesses from real threats. But what's the first rule to enter cybersecurity? Here's where most people go wrong. They jump straight into tools, courses, and certifications without ever learning how the attackers think. So today, I want to talk about rule number 1 to focus. Before you enter into the realm of cybersecurity, build the right cybersecurity mindset. Cybersecurity is 80% mindset, 20% tooling. It's not about hacking systems. It's about understanding how people are hacked and how you can stop it. Let's talk about what every cybersecurity beginner must learn before anything else. For today, what is social engineering? Social engineering is when an attacker manipulates someone to give up access, passwords, or sensitive data. No code, no malware, just psychology. The attacker uses the human emotional aspects like fear, curiosity, urgency, trust, or greed, and they trick people into clicking, downloading, or sharing something they shouldn't. Think of it as hacking the human, not the machine. Net social engineering is behind 90% of cyber attacks. And that's why it's your responsibility to understand how it works. Before you try to stop it, understand what's valuable. So what are hackers really after? Mostly personally identifiable. Information refers to any data that can be used to identify a specific individual, either on its own or when combined with other information. Adopt the zero trust mindset. In cybersecurity, there's a phrase, zero trust. It means trust none. Always verify the source. Stay a little paranoid. It's a good thing in cybersecurity. If you want to enter cybersecurity, don't start with tools. Start by understanding the human element of hacking. The best cybersecurity professionals don't just protect, they predict, prevent, and persuade others to stay safe. Cybersecurity is a mindset. Build that first. In my next video, we'll break down the tracks, job roles, and career paths in cybersecurity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay aware, stay secure.